Hi guys, welcome. It's almost the beginning of April, it's the 25th. That means our ISOs are already out there. You can test them. That's the point. That was your question years ago. You said, Eric, is it possible that we can test it but not be really a beta tester? Beta tester is really focusing and committed to really test every single ISO with us. But an AAG, you're more like, I've got some time, right? And yes, sure, I'll do it in a VirtualBox or a real metal and tell you if all is okay or not. So at this point in time, it's already here. But the thing is, the AAG is there, just kind of maybe fail-safe, if that's the proper word, I'm not sure. Because basically what we'll do is, if everything is okay, it just gets moved, right? It gets moved out of AAG and it just goes to ISO. So basically they're good, right? It will come in a folder version 25.04. and then 1, 2, 3, etc. The thing is that every month, well, we build the ISOs, you test the ISOs, and then we release. The release thing is done more or less in the beginning of the month, and that's the only thing you should keep track of. What changed? Every single month there's a video. What changed? What's new? What should I change? Should I change, right? Is there something to keep track of? What's new? And the other video is how to stay rolling. So that's the next video. This is the video, what is new. So the releases in 2025 is ready. This is the article for the ISO coming up in 5-6 days. We created a new welcome. I see here a typo. ArcoLinux welcome app, or AWA. And in the 8 years that we have had, and prior to that as well, for me personally then, like 10 years or so, grub was no issue. But over that period of time, twice it happened that users end up with a, well, let's say a broken system, right? Simply put, grub misfired something happened, voila, you're stuck. Of course, this is Arch, so you're never ever stuck. But you need to know, you need to have the knowledge about arch-chroot, and maybe let's expand a little bit to that word, arch-chroot. I'm telling you that any system on Arch can be fixed. It requires knowledge. It requires arch-chroot, and then you mount your partitions, you do your thing, you get out, boot up again, right? So arch-chroot, and there are many videos on the YouTube of ArcoLinux and the websites, right? It is for an intermediate, probably, user and an expert user, right? Once you've figured it out, once you've done that, you know you're gonna stay with Arch because you can always fix it. Anything can be fixed with arch-chroot. Again, chrooting into is not that difficult. The knowledge then later on is, what did I do? What should I change? It's still knowledge after you chroot it into your partitions. So take your time and find some information, watch some videos because it's important. We have changed a little bit, and that's basically the design, right? We've changed this, we've added recommended, so a user normally clicks on the first one and normally clicks on the recommended, right? So that's new. We tell, okay, never ever did we have any issue with system deboot, but twice in 10 years time we had an issue with grub, right? So let's now officially recommend you guys to use system deboot. By the way, on the Arch install script of Arch Linux, they recommend it as well. Okay, so basically we're following the Arch Linux guideline here, and this is the information what is systemd and grub, and so you read it. It's just some information about grub and systemd. ArcoLinux forum has been retired. We've said, okay, let's just stop maintaining it. Another well, time is precious, so it's that simple, and let's focus everything on one place and join Discord, right? So that's the thing. We're gonna go and help you there, and Discord as well has received a spring cleaning, so we can start afresh and add, well, help. Basically it's just to help you, right? And the help from us, it should be only needed after you went to the Arch Wiki, after you went to YouTube, Eric Dubois, simple as that. YouTube Eric Dubois or ArcoLinux, you'll find the channel, and you click here. Here you're gonna find something about arch-chroot. So don't ask questions, first do a search, right? We want to point your nose in the right direction, but this is a study kind of a thing. I mean, we make videos just because it reaches so many people, right? Otherwise it's a one-on-one relation, and that's not the idea. 2,000 people have seen this, 2,100 people have seen this thing. We've reached a lot of people with that knowledge, and that's basically the first thing you do, right? Go and have a look at our websites, all of these guys. Forum is no longer. What's now available now is this, right? And at some point in time I'll decide if I'll keep this particular website, and then it's gone as well. So first look around: Discord, Telegram, YouTube, ArchWiki. Figure out, solve the question yourself, and if it's unsolvable, what happens is we'll make a video, right? If it's not already there, of course, we make a video. So forum is no longer, less work for us, more time for living. Discord will replace our forum, etc. What's new, you'll see if you go in there. We like the simplicity, and with some extra buttons like closed and solved and needs information, needs info, for more info, right? It gives us straight away an idea. That's solved, that's done, okay? Next thing. We have just a few lines extra. If you're when I was on ArcoLinux, I saw that there is a message, and we just made it more readable, more open, more transparent, right? Black box, we don't like black boxes. That's for another operating system. We tell you we've changed this, we've done that, we've made a copy of this, and there's a backup there, and we communicate, right? So that's why we often say go to a terminal. The terminal gives you all of this. If you launch this ATT from the menu, right, from the .desktop file, then you won't see any of this, but we try to communicate. So ATT is here launched in the terminal. ATT, that's all you need to type. It's and off you go. All right. Again, of course, that's a monthly kind of thing. Calamaris is not from us, so github.com calamaris/calamaris, that's where the code is, and we try to follow it. So basically it's the new code always that we try again, and if after 10 installations, so that's probably how many I do only, right? So the beta testers are there as well, and then the AAG guys, right? The guys that download from AAG, so this one, they will test it also, and evolves well, right? It moves, basically that's it. It moves from folder to folder. So what is new? That's gonna be this video, and how to stay rolling is another video I have to make. So basically this contains often sudo pacman -s arch-Linux keyring, right? That's the only thing. It's major information, major tip to keep rolling the keys. But that's it. So we'll put this video online, and next video will be the one to how to stay rolling. Cheers.